Hey neighbor, welcome back. Today we're going to go over both chemical methods and organic methods of how to get rid of a common lawn weed that will quickly spread in your lawn and wreak havoc. It's Creeping Charlie. You can identify Creeping Charlie by the scalloped leaves around the edges and the round leaf shape. It also comes from the mint family, so if you tear a leaf apart and you smell it, you might get rid of the mint smell. You'll also recognize the weed by its purple flowers and how quickly it spreads across your lawn. So let's get started. Okay, this method involves pulling it by hand. When you do this, you want to make sure you loosen the soil around the plant first, and then you can dig it up by the base, making sure you get all of its root system so it doesn't come back again. When you pull it, don't leave it sitting on your lawn, or else it'll come back and regerminate. Make sure you get it off as quickly as possible. All right, a couple of tips if you're pulling it out manually is to do it when the ground is soft. You can do it after it rains, or when you know the soil is a little bit softer, help all those roots out. Also, when I first moved into this house, we had a lot of Creeping Charlie. You may need to do this in sections with a large shovel. Take your time, you can do this. Now there are two other organic methods you can use to get rid of Creeping Charlie. One involves a spray bottle mixed with 2 cups of white vinegar and 1 cup of warm water. Make sure you spray this when it's a little bit warmer outside. It might take a couple of applications. The second organic method is to use borax. You want to get 5 ounces of borax and mix it with 1 gallon of water. Put it in a pump sprayer or a hose end sprayer. Again, this might need more than 1 application, but can work. All right, and finally, the chemical method of killing Creeping Charlie is to use something with the chemical Triclopyr in it. Now, Triclopyr is good for killing types of clover and Creeping Charlie and the weeds that grow on vines that are low ground cover. If it's not enough or you need more potency, you can go and buy something called Speed Zone or T-Zone. You can look for that on your computer. Now, if you found this helpful, I'd ask before you go and kill your Creeping Charlie that you take some time to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.